One thing about Donald Trump is that he can make something bad sound like it's good.
The only president that ever took a cognitive test.
Can you see the way in which he said it? It sounds like he's done something that's immaculate, that is impressive. But the test Donald Trump is referring to is a test that's done to test whether a person has dementia. So if you don't have dementia, you're probably gonna pass this test with flying colors. This is just a couple of tests which come from this cognitive test. You can see it for yourself.
You have to draw this little cube. Right behind me, they ask you to draw a clock where where the minute and the hour hands are. They're going to ask about naming things, like this one has like a lion and a rhinoceros. And
if you don't have dementia, you're not going to struggle with this particular test. But the way Donald Trump presents it, he comes out and he's making it seem like, hey, man, I did something extremely impressive.
A very hard test for a lot of people. It wasn't hard for me. The middle gets tougher. By the time you get to the end, very few people can answer those questions. They get very tough.
You don't want your president constantly going for tests on whether he's got dementia.
I took it 3 times.
What exactly is happening in the White House for the president to constantly go for these dementia tests, for these cognitive tests?